What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to today's live stream video. Today we're going to be talking about what the heck is happening with Bitcoin right here. Look at all of these cells. Why do we have 18 million, 21 million in cells, 22 million in cells, 201 million in volume when it comes to that, 51 million cells? Why are we doing that right now? What is going on? We were just up here at 58,000. Why did we not take that high? Well, I'm going to be going over the technical analysis to show you guys what was going on at that high, why we failed to get above that, and what is going on in the immediate price action. 200 million. When was the last time you saw 200 million in a 5-minute candle? I don't think so. I don't think we've seen it anytime soon. You got so many. You can hear the cells are coming in right now. So let's go back over here and get into the longer term. This is kind of a setup that I'm looking for right here for a long. This would be a nice little long area. I'm kind of thinking something like along the lines of this. You come up, come down to here, come back up to here, and then possibly come back down. Or you could, here with these types of setups, it could C could come up to here or down to here. But anyways, we're going to go over all of that. We're going to go over Ethereum. We're going to go over the RSIs. We're going to take a look at the bearish divergences that are playing out. We're going to go over the EMAs, looking at what's going on with that, where we can find some support. Okay, holy shit. Do you guys hear all that madness? Oh my god. Wow. That's a hell of a lot of selling. I'm almost in, wow, okay, I'm almost in this long, don't tell me I got front ran. Okay, oh my god, it's literally right, okay, there we go. I hope that this goes up from here, obviously. Jesus Christ, look at all of these. What is going on? You have to be kidding me. Are you guys seeing this? This is madness. Come on. Do you hear it all stopped? All the selling stopped. 1.9 million, 10 million on BitMEX shorts. 5.9 million, 9.2 million, 10 million on BitMEX. 9.2 million, 1.4 million longs liquidated, 1.8 million longs liquidated, 9.6, 6.9, 10 million on BitMEX. People are getting killed on BitMEX right now. 3 millions in longs liquidated. Oh my god, this looks like it's about to just crash even further down. So let's wait and see kind of what happens here. That was pretty insane to catch that on the live action. Let's go check out what the volume is looking like from that situation. Wow, we came down the previous day value area low. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Group number 1. What? Group number 2, 1, Igor. Okay, so let's take a look, see. Jesus. Sorry, I was not expecting that to happen as soon as I go live. Yeah, okay. Just an enormous amount of longs getting stopped out. We have some longs opening. Hopefully that kicks back up. Holy Jesus. 2.9, 3.3, 4, 4, 3, 8 million? 4.2 million. Then right afterwards, you have 2.4, 2.4, 2.7, 1.3, 2.3 million buys coming in. Look at all these buy orders coming. This is absolute insanity. Absolute and pure and total insanity. I've got a long trade that I'm in on another account, so I have to kind of take a look at that. Wow, I don't even know what to say right now. Yeah. I'm a little bit hesitant of this trade that I'm in because I'm not really hearing a lot of buys coming in. So we're going to take a look at what's going on with the price right now. I was really not expecting that. So if I'm kind of flustered right now, you guys, this is the trade that I'm in. right here. I hope this is the low because that means I caught the absolute low. That would be so bomb. That would be absolutely insane to catch that. So if we do start to come up to this area, we'll go ahead and watch. Oh my goodness, that is the wrong screen. Yeah, I have to make sure that I do this, keep this open. So yeah, this is the trade that I'm in. Let's hope that was the bottom, or temporary bottom at least. I hope it can come up to here. Holy monkeys, that was insane what we just witnessed. All right, let's try to piece together what the hell just happened. I'm a little bit worried though. A little bit worried because usually when you hit a bottom, you would want to see a bunch of buys come back in, but we're not seeing that at all. People are not really trying to step back in. The volume is looking like trash now. So many longs open up here, and then now they're just dying out. No shorts are opening, which is possibly a good sign. Let's look at the RSI. We have divergences on the 1 minute and the 3 minute, which is good. We have the money line, weekly money line coming in exactly to the doll hair. That's good, but this fucking volume, man. Anyways, I'm in it. There's no need for me to be tripping out. If we come down and I get stopped out, we come down and I get stopped out. It is what it is. Because, like I said, you'd want to see a strong follow-through of longs coming in afterwards. So you guys saw all of these, like all of this madness that was happening, which is absolute pure insanity for longs getting stopped out. You'd want to see this start to happen, and then you'd want to see even more and more and more and more buys, like bigger buys coming in. That shows you that there's probably going to be a pretty strong follow-through. But since we are seeing this happening, you had all these longs opening up, and then nothing right here. There's still no more follow through. Then you start to have shorts opening up. This is not necessarily the sign that you want to see, especially this. You do not want to. Anyways, you guys understand. So let's say that if this area fails, where would the next area that I'd be looking to take along? Well, the next area would be somewhere around here. I mean, we could obviously come down to here. This could be an area for like little bit of a pullback. So if this area fails, we could come down here, have a little bit of a pullback, and then continue to come down like that. So that way you could take a major low and a major low, because then the next major low that you would have would be somewhere around like this area. You know, you take all these lows, could possibly come down all the way to here, but we're going to play it level to level. I would say this is a level that we could be looking at to possibly get ourselves into a long. I mean, even this is a level to possibly looking to get into a long, but it's not, there's no follow through. So this is kind of, ooh, good Lord, not looking too good. And then this could be an area because, again, you'd want to come down and take this major low to kick back up. What else is there? Let's see. Yeah, what upsets me is that this morning I woke up, and because I'm on the West Coast, I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Unless I would have rolled over, seen this exact trade right here, which I did, but my computer froze on me, and I was unable to get into this. So this is even more reason again as to why I need to move my ass over to Florida, because this time zone sucks. But anyways, regardless, so this is in the immediate short term. If this level fails, I would be looking for this, but I want this. I would be looking at the reaction here, but I want this. I did get into multiple shorts up here earlier this morning, but yeah. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the RSI on the 5 minutes. Let's see. Let's close that. All right, we got 87 people in here. Let's see if we can get ourselves up to at least 40 likes. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure that the like button turns blue. Let's see if we can get ourselves up to 40 likes. It shows you guys are enjoying the content. I really, really appreciate that. Again, this was not supposed to be a stream where I didn't know what I wanted to talk about. That was so random that happened. All right, so as we can see right here, this is actually a pretty strong support on the 5 minute. You have this, so you have touch, 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 touch. Hopefully we come back up. We are one good possibility for this is that we came up, came down, hit the 618, and then now we're starting to see some more buys come in. If we take this high, that's actually a pretty good sign. That's actually a pretty good sign. For me, that would be absolutely lovely. Let's see how much room. We've got a lot of room to move on the 30-second. We obviously, you can see on the 30-second RSI, we can come all the way up here, but you know, we come up to here, come down, come up to here, come down, come up to here, come down. So let's see, you know, and then also on the 1 minute, we have room to come all the way up to here. So we could come all the way back up here on the 1 minute. So we have a lot of room to move up. Let's just see if people would be interested in stepping in for a long right now. So let's try to stay on task here, boys and girls. Trying to stream and manage a trade is very, very difficult. So we have this on the 5 minute. Let's see what's going on the 15-minute charts. All right, 15-minute looks like it wants to hard reset somewhere down here. That's not a good sign. Let's take a look, see if we can find anything here. Well, we do have this little bit of a trend line here. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. We got those touches. So we have the trend line support on the 5 minute. We have some trend line support on the 15. So if I guess the point is here is like if we break this trend line and we break the 5 minute trend line, like it's looking like both of them are going to want to come to reset all the way down to here, which in turn would probably lend it to either coming down to here, probably on the 5 minute, or here on like the 15 minute. So that's, again, if this level breaks. Let's see what else is there. Let's check the so to talk about this high right here, what happened? Why did we not break this? Well, there's multiple reasons, obviously. Let's just talk about one of the possibilities, or one of the reasons, is that you have this massive amounts of bearish divergences on the 2 minute, right? So if we look at this is just one, you know, I know a lot of people aren't RSI traders, and maybe some people are, but this is just one possibility here, right? So as you guys can see, the RSI can obviously come all the way up to here, but even here, it's like you have this high right here, then you have this high, then you have this high, you have your 3 double divergence, 1, 2, 3, and then you start to come back down. Well, what happens here? We have 1 divergence with this area, 2 divergences with this area, 3 divergences with this area, and then now you're starting to come down. And that, as you guys can see, we're starting to form this little bit of a channel here on the 2-hour RSI, right? And so price is continuously doing the opposite of the RSI, and so now we come down, we get resistance from that little trend line right there. So that happens on the 1 hour, the 2 hour, the 4 hour RSI. You can also see that there's divergences coming on, and now we're starting to come down. We are being supported by this little trend line right here on the 4 hour, hopefully. And so yeah, if we could end up having, you know, this to be some type of local top, and over the weekend we could possibly be like range bound in between, you know, I don't know, 53,000 and 57,000, 58,000, somewhere around there, until people kind of decide, you know, do they want to buy at these highs, and we'll only figure that out with time. So that's the RSI. Let's go over the EMAs. Let's go ahead and get rid of these brushes and all this other madness. Let's get rid of this long position. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. The fixed range. Where's my fixed range at? Oh, there it is. It's over there on the other side. So let's take a look at what's going on right now on the 1 minute. We did have this trend line right here, which we broke. Again, if we're looking at the volume right now, we're not hearing any big buys. We're not hearing any big sells. If we take a look right now, on the immediate short term, look at how bullish the 1 minute is. There's so many people, so many people buying on the 1 minute. So the 15-minute overall is bearish. But right now, people are buying, which is a good sign. We're making higher lows. Let's see if we can start to make some higher highs. So things right now are currently looking bullish. Obviously, things can turn around in a heartbeat. Again, we have a lot of room to go on the 30-second. We did have our divergences on the 1 minute between this low and this low. So, again, things are still looking short term. I'm talking about next 5 minutes type of bullish. We were supported by this money line. So now we have to go and look at the EMA. So let's go ahead and look at the daily EMA. Let's get rid of this. We are coming up a little bit. Again, okay. We did now just hit the volume point of control right here. We did hit this previous day value area low. I think that we do have a possibility of a, yes. So we did complete the CCV for today. Okay. So let's go back over here. Let's get back to the EMAs. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. All right. So what are we looking at as far as the EMAs go? Well, we're still in an uptrend. Again, when we have a flare out of 200, 155, 20, and we're at the top of the Bollinger Bands for the daily, so that's also a situation. So this is a little bit of a scary thing. If we can get back above this, that would be very, very lovely. If we can get back above the volume point of control for the New York time. Oh yeah, I completely forgot to mention, you guys, I am trading over on Bybit. So I have a link in my description box. You go ahead and use that link in the description box below. 200 free US dollar bonus on Bybit if you deposit. You have to deposit money. I've seen a lot of people are clicking and registering, but they're not depositing any money. If you don't deposit any money, you can't trade. So what are you doing? What are you doing signing up? Make sure you guys deposit so you guys can get out here and take some of these non-financial advice signals with me. And also, too, if you're in the UK or the US or any other places that have any type of geolocation issues, you're going to want to get a VPN. I've got a VPN link in the description box below as well. So go ahead and check those out. Again, remember, deposit the money on Bybit so you can get that bonus. If you just register, you won't get it. Make sure you deposit. Let's go. Let's get out here and trade and get some money. So 200 EMA looking sexy. 100. So we're in a massive uptrend on the daily. On the 12-hour, it's again the same exact thing. We did start to, so when you see you're closing outside of the Bollinger Band, that's usually a sign that you're going to get a little bit of a pullback. So we were closing outside, and now we're starting to get a little bit of a pullback. Let's see the 6-hour. Again, the EMAs are still looking very, very sexy. We're trying to use this middle of the Bollinger Band and the 20 EMA as support. Let's see what the 4 hours looking like. We did just hit that 4-hour 20 EMA in the middle of the Bollinger Band as support. We are getting some rejection right now off of the oh boy, 2.9 million. That's pretty strong. We are getting that rejection, like I was saying. So let's hope to God that the bulls can step back in for my sake and for everybody else's sake who's long. So again, we did get the support right here on the 4-hour, on the 2-hour. Let's see what's going on with that. We do still have some more room to come down to get some more support. Let's see. All right, we got 37 likes. You guys, we are trying to get ourselves up to about, let's say, 50 likes. We got 116 people in here. If you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe. I live stream every day. Hit that like button, turn it blue. Let's try to get ourselves up to 50 likes. Yeah, we got this 20 EMA on the 2-hour. The 1 hour, we're still being supported. We are still flared, you guys. We're still flared, right? So even here, but the thing is that we were being supported. Now we're being held down a little bit, right? So that's a little bit scary. Supported. Now we're closing way outside of the Bollinger Band. This is getting a little bit scary, what else is there? So let's go down the list here. The 30-minute, we're being held up by the 200. Again, like I said, we're being held up. A little bit scary, but look at how far we are closing outside of the Bollinger Band. Do you see this? This whole entire candle is outside, so more than likely we could get a little bit of a pullback. The Bollinger Bands are what kind of keep price in check, because look at this. We are closing outside of it so hard, and then we came back down. So what we just heard right there, I don't know if you guys heard it, but look at that. There we go. Let's go, boys and girls. Let's go. Can we get this snipe? Can we get this snipe? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Please, please, please. I would love this to work out. That would be absolutely amazing. Let's go. If you guys are wondering, this is what the update of the trade is. I got my first take profit right here. Let's hope to the gods. We still have enough room to go on the 32nd. So it's chugging along. It's chugging along there, boys and girls. Wow. Holy shit. Somebody bought 9.5 million. Look at this. You gotta be kidding me. It did it by what? No. You can't do that to me. Oh my god. No way. Come on, go back up, dude. Oh my fucking god. Look at that. You have all of those big buys coming in. Tons and tons and tons and tons. Just, this is what you want to see when you get to the bottom, is like all of these buys. Then you have somebody bought 9.5 million on BitMEX. Though that person that bought 9.5 million is the same person that sold 10 million, because they got mad. They got mad that they got stopped out of their long, and they're like, I hate you. I'm going to go ahead and revenge trade. And they bought 9.5 million at the high. And then they instantaneously got wrecked, probably. Are you fucking joking? You got to be joking. How many points is this by? If it doesn't come up from here and we come down, I'm going to shut down the computer and I'm going to scream. By $15. By $15. That's a sexy entry though, man. That's really sexy. Alright, we're gonna try our best not to concentrate on that. The 1 minute is hyper bearish. All of these people shorting on bybit. So we broke past this. We got rejected by the New York session value area high. So we'll see what ends up happening from there. Let's check the RSI. Yeah, I really was trying to turn this into a higher term time frame analysis. I'll do that kind of towards the end because I was not expecting any of this to happen. We still have a lot of room. As you guys can see, we can come all the way up here on the 32nd. We have a lot of room to go on the 1. So I guess we just have to be patient and go back to this. I mean, there's nothing that I can do. There's nothing. My entry is... There's nothing I can do. Unless you can't really get much of a better entry than this. I mean, it's pretty obviously you can, but I mean, you'd have to. I don't know how you know. That's a pretty damn good entry. So I can't complain about the entry. If I got an entry $15 better than this right here, then I would have been able to take profit. Okay. So yeah, I think I've given my higher term time frame analysis. Let's go ahead and take a look at the volume again, you guys. So as you guys can see, we've got 200 million. Oh wow, we made it up to our 55 like goal. Let's see if we can push it to 70, you guys. Let's see if we can push it to 70. If you guys are new, again, hit that like button, turn it blue, hit that subscribe button. I live stream every single day. I'm live trading in front of you guys. I mean, as you guys can see. Yeah. And also, too, please make sure that you guys follow me on Twitter. I post up ideas and stuff like that there as well. So let's take a look at the volume currently. We have 201 million, 139 million. Look at this, 87 million for 87 million in sales right here. Oh, damn, 102, and then only 1.7 was buy volume. 11 million, 11 million, 48, 48, 100 million, 3.6. These motherfuckers right here are selling. Man. Holy Jesus, dude. Are you fucking kidding me? That goddamn... Oh my god. Let's check ETH. Wow. I'm trying not to lose it. If I get front ran by $15, I think I'm gonna fucking lose it. I'm gonna lose it live on stream. All right, Ethereum. I'm really trying not to lose it. Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So the 30-minute. Ethereum looks a little bit different than Bitcoin. Oh my god, that's not what I want to hear. You guys hear all this? Jesus Christ. This is Bitcoin. This is Ethereum. If Ethereum is a leading indicator, then we are definitely coming down on Bitcoin. If Ethereum is a leading indicator. Okay, so let's see if right now currently we can get a bounce. So this was once a resistance point, right? The New York volume point of control once was a resistance. Now can we flip this into support? I mean, as you guys can see, as price is coming up, the amount of longs opening up is just falling off more and more and more and more and more. We do have a good amount of shorts opening up here. We do have longs closing out. Let's see if we can hold that as a support. If we can't, then we're going to be in a lot of trouble. A lot of trouble. Let's see what is going on here. We do not see, on the 1, 3, 5 minute, we do not seem to be pushing towards the bullish side right now. Okay, now we are on the 1 minute. Let's see if we can pick that back up. Okay, I do hear some buys coming in on bybit. Those are shorts taking profits, mainly, it seems like. All right. So yeah, Ethereum. Let's see. I think I want to end the stream. Because I'm losing it right now. We lost this. The sales just keep coming in. $15 away from my fucking goddamn take profit. Yeah, this is 28 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and end it. For Ethereum, it looks like we took this low. Shorts are falling off. Longs are opening right now, but people are still opening up shorts. Oof. Yeah, again, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just end it here. So, what was I gonna say? If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button, turn it blue. I live stream every single day, as you guys can see. I'm sometimes live trading in front of you guys. This is a little bit too crazy right now. I need to go and kind of manage this, but to give my Ethereum prediction, it would be the same thing for a long. I would say 1685 would be leveled, and 1600 would be a level to be looking at to get into a long if we do fall down from there. So 1680, 1690, then 1600, and then as far as shorts go, wait, what the hell? Ethereum completely pulled back while Bitcoin went straight up to the moon? Wow. That's interesting. All right. So, oh shit, I'm not even sharing the right screen. But as you can see, the volume point of control moved a little bit. Anyways, yeah. I'd say 1690, 1600 on Ethereum for a long. That's interesting how they were correlated and then now they're completely uncorrelated. But let's hope that Ethereum is not a leading indicator if you're bullish on Bitcoin. And then for shorts, for Ethereum, I would say 1900. You come up, take these highs, possibly 1900. Then the next area would be 2000. Would be an area to look for a short. And again, that's why you want to trade over on Bybit. Use the link in the description box below. Make sure you have to deposit in order to get that free $200 US dollars. So make sure you deposit on there. And it doesn't matter if Bitcoin is going short, you can make money. If Bitcoin is going long, you can make money. Either way, we can make money on this market trading over on Bybit. That's my exchange of choice. I love that exchange. And also too, if you're in the United States or the UK or any other place that has some issues with geolocation not letting you sign up, use the VPN in the description box below. That's what I've heard. That's not legal advice. That's not financial advice. Do whatever you want. None of this is financial advice or legal advice. Do whatever you want with your money. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a lawyer. Don't do anything illegal. But other than that, yeah, sign up with a VPN. Other than that, yeah, I think I'm done. I need to go and manage this. This is madness. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.